In this video, I'm going to show you how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Whether you want your document in portrait for a standard layout or landscape for wider content like tables, charts, or presentations, this is one of the simplest formatting changes you can make in Word. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and easy step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. On some versions of Word, this may be called Page Layout, but the steps are very similar either way. This tab contains all the page setup tools you need to control the look of your document. Now, in the Layout section, find the Orientation button and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with two main options, Portrait and Landscape. If you choose Portrait, your page will stay vertical, which is the default orientation for most documents. If you choose Landscape, your page will switch to a horizontal layout, which is useful when you need more width on the page. Click the option you want, and Word will update the orientation immediately. You do not need to restart the document or save separately for the change to take effect. If you are working on a report, essay, letter, or any standard document, Portrait is usually the best choice. If you are creating a spreadsheet-style layout, a wide table, a certificate, or anything that looks better across the page, Landscape may be a better fit. One helpful tip is to check how your text and images appear after changing the orientation, because the page layout may shift depending on your content. If needed, you can always go back to the orientation menu and switch it again. That is all it takes to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and reads. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.